Can you solve this math challenge? On a Twitter post, it says that 99% will fail to answer this question. And the question goes like this. Solve for the value of n that satisfies this equation 7 raised to 8 raised to n raised to the power of 4 raised to n equals 7 raised to 4 raised to 5. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so, given this equation, 7 raised to 8 raised to n raised to the power of 4 raised to n equals 7 raised to 4 raised to 5. Our goal is to solve for the value of n, and it says that 99% will fail answering this math challenge. Alright, so let's try. Now, to answer this question, we will use this concept. If we have a raised to b raised to c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c. So, the left-hand side of our equation, 7 raised to 8 raised to n, this can be written as 7 raised to the power of 8 raised to n. Alright, and also, on the right-hand side, 7 raised to 4 raised to 5, this can be written as 7 raised to the power of 4 raised to 5. Alright. Now, at this point, we will use some laws of exponent. Now, take note. If we have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of b times c. So, the left-hand side of our equation, 7 raised to the power of 8 raised to n, raised to the power of 4 raised to n, this can be written as 7 raised to the power of 8 raised to n multiplied by 4 raised to n. Now, let's simplify first. Take note that we have base 8, 4, and 4. So, why not? Let's make all bases the same. Take note that this 8 is 2 raised to 3, this 4 is 2 raised to 2, and also this 4 is 2 raised to 2. So, let's do that. Now, 8 is simply equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, applying this laws of exponent, 2 raised to 3 raised to the power of n, this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 times n. Now, how about this 4 raised to n? This 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So, 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of n, using this identity, this simplified to 2 raised to the power of 2n. Now, how about this 4 raised to 5? This 4 is just 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, applying this identity, so this is just 2 raised to the power of 2 times 5, or simply 2 raised to the power of 10. Now, from here, let's apply again some laws of exponent. So, if we have a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c, we have the same base but different exponent. So, we can rewrite this as a raised to the power of b plus c. So, looking at this expression, 2 raised to the power of 3n times 2 raised to the power of 2n, this can be simplified to 2 raised to the power of 3n plus 2n. Now, we can add this. 3n plus 2n, this will give us 5n. Now, comparing the left-hand side of our equation and the right-hand side, we have the base 7, right over here, raised to the power of 2, the same base of 2, raised to the power of 5n. And we can say that 5n must be equal to 10. And to solve for the value of n, let's divide both sides by 5. So, n must be equal to 10 divided by 5, or simply equal to 2. And that is the value of n. Therefore, the answer to this question, what is the value of n that satisfies this equation? 7 raised to 8 raised to n raised to the power of 4 raised to n equals 7 raised to 4 raised to 5. And the answer, or our answer, must be equal to n equals 2. And as always, we are done.